Hello and welcome back to Handmade by Julie. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet. Even if you've never crocheted before, this tutorial will teach you basic, easy steps, and then you can build on it to make even better stuff. Let's get into it. In this video, I will be using medium worsted weight yarn. Whatever yarn you choose, you have to use the corresponding hook size. For example, for this type of yarn, I'm going to be using 4 millimeters. First, I'll show you how to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, take the tail end of the yarn, and the yarn still connected to the yarn ball, and hold it like this, with the tail end on the left side. Then, take your working yarn, and put it over like this, crossover. Then, you're going to want to put your thumb and your pointer finger in that little cross we just made. And you're going to want to grab the tail end. Start to pull through, still holding onto the tail end. And as you see, a knot will be coming out. You can adjust this to whatever size your hook is. Insert your hook. Put it on the side that the tail end is not in, and pull tight. Make sure you can still move it across the hook, but not so much that it'll fall off. This is a righty tutorial, so I'm going to teach you how to hold the yarn if you are right-handed. Take the yarn and wrap it around your pinky once. Then wrap it around your pointer finger, and using your thumb and middle finger, hold the knot you just made. It should look something like this. Let me show you again. Loop it around your pinky, loop it around your pointer finger, and then with your thumb and middle finger, hold the knot. I'm now going to show you how to make the foundation of every single crochet piece you'll make. First, holding the yarn like I just taught you, put the hook and the yarn parallel. Turn the head of the hook away from you and loop underneath the yarn. Loop underneath the yarn. Then twist the head towards you with the yarn you just grabbed and pull through. You complete as many chains as you want to be the base or foundation of your crochet project. This stitch is also called a yarn over, because you go under the yarn and you yarn over. Just now, I completed 21 chain stitches. Now, to get to the part where you're actually crocheting. This crochet is basically made up of just little V's. As you see, V here, V here, V here. All the chains look like microscopic V's. You're gonna skip the first V from your hook and go into this second one over here. Insert your hook into the top half of the V. Then you're going to yarn over by going back and yarning over and pull through that top first loop. Then you're going to want to yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. You should have 1 loop on your hook, and you should have your first V, or single crochet. You're going to want to continue that until the end of the round. When you single crochet into the last stitch of the row, you have to chain 1 again, and you're going to turn your piece. If you can see this time, there's going to be a bunch of V's again, more pronounced than the chain. You're going to skip this chain and go into both ends of the second V. Yarn over and pull through. Repeat. Yarn over and pull through all 2. You're going to want to continue that every single time, alternating sides. And chain 1 to start every new row until you finish your project. Lastly, I will show you how to fasten off. Finish the last stitch of your row and chain 1. But don't turn your project this time. Cut your yarn and leave a pretty long tail. Then, you're going to take your hook again and you're going to pull it until you pull through that last chain. Pull to tighten it, and that's how you complete a crochet project. Now, you've mastered one of the funnest skills there is, crochet. I hope you learned so much, and I hope you use this to have fun and learn more about crochet. This is only the basics. We barely scratched the surface of all the stuff you can do with crochet.